Hello friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi Ankala. In this video, we learn about healthy ragi soup. Ingredients required for ragi soup or millet soup are ragi flour, just 1.5 spoon, 1 spoon of finely chopped onions, and a pinch of salt and pepper, and 1 spoon of curd or buttermilk, or you can use milk, normal milk also. That's 3 options are there. So let's start. Take 1 glass of water in a bowl and let it boil. Okay, in this water add just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let this boil. Okay, as the water is boiling, you just have to make a paste with this ragi flour. So 1.5 spoon of ragi flour, add some water and make it a smooth paste. Okay, the water is boiling now. Now we have to add this paste to this water and just keep stirring. It started thickening, so this is how it looks. Okay, leave it for 2 minutes. The soup is ready. Add some onions finely chopped and just a pinch of pepper powder, black pepper powder. Add yogurt or buttermilk or milk also you can add. Just add, this will enhance the taste. Okay, it's very tasty and very healthy ragi soup or red millet soup. Health benefits of ragi soup are: helps for weight loss, controls diabetes, reduces cholesterol, increases bone strength, it's a natural relaxant, treats anemia, increases lactation, improves digestion.